Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing smoke effect in Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, open the Layer panel, and select the image layer. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. And create a layer mask on it. Go to the Crop tool, and make an artboard a little wide. Bring the image upward. Then click on the adjustment layer and choose the gradient. Set the style to radial. And apply the black and white gradient to it. And set its scale higher. And hit OK. Bring the gradient layer at the bottom. Select the image layer, go to the Image menu, Adjustment and then Black and White. Set the settings default, and hit OK. I have this colored smoke, link of this smoke is mentioned in the description. Bring it to the main document. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Take your time to adjust it properly. Bring the smoke layer down to the image layer. Go to the Brush tool and click on the mask. Opacity and flow must be 100%. And make sure the foreground color is black. And apply. Decrease its opacity, and then apply it to merge both. Create a new blank layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to the eyedropper tool and select the color. And apply on the right side. Then change its blend mode to overlay and decrease its opacity. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.